Hello, my name is Elena and I like making jewelry. I had recently purchased a few components I was lacking, and I thought I will make a little video to show you what I have bought. Bead cups with white zircons, silver plated. Say about 10 millimeters in diameter, and this is the black cups with black zircons. I think black looks really great. They're quite domed, and they fit probably the best around 12 millimeter bead. This is interesting components, which is I have in silver and gold, and this is endings for your bracelets or necklace, and they are really very comfortable to wear, very good to work with. In one of my tutorials I will show you how to use them. A multi-strand necklace which consists of beads 4, 5, maximum 6 millimeters. I think they will go for. Cabochons I bought, and some pendants. This green one is Indian agate. Unfortunately the quality is not particularly good. Usually you can see some inclusions, and it's on the light semi-transparent, but this is quite solid dark green color, which wouldn't really looking very interested. This is a cabochon of labradorite. I am a little bit disappointed with it. I like the shape and size of it, but iridescence is not very visible. It's only on one part of the cabochon there is a bit of iridescence, so it's basically looks like a grey stone, which is a bit unfortunate. The good quality labradorite look incredible, and you might have iridescence of different colors. But this is just a little bit of greenish on one edge, so not the best specimen, I should say. It wasn't particularly cheap, this stone. I think it was about 4 or 5 pounds, so not the best quality for this price. This is agate pendant, lace agate. I really like it. It has a raw edge and drilled on the top. I don't know if I will be using this bail, but I think it will work well with this beautiful brown laced agate. Every bead is very different, and it suits color wise, and pattern is similar, so I think it might be going with these beads and will work itself into necklace. I would like to show you these bead cups. There is a tiny baby ones, silver plated. I think they're around 3 millimeters. Those are stainless steel and rhodium plated, and good quality, durable. They don't tarnish that much, and the few different sizes. This is stainless steel. It's not as shiny. It's also slightly different shape. It's quite domed if you can compare it to the next bead, more or less the same size, but one is domed and one is a bit more flat. So they will go to with different beads, and you need quite a few different sizes. This is an example how to use it. 4 millimeter on the bottom and 6 millimeter on the top. And these gold plated beads are quite domed, and they have this edge which makes it quite decorative, and they work well ascending to the necklace or a bracelet, or they can be used to separate some of the beads from the other, possibly central feature beads, or you might attach pendant in between position for the central feature. This is example of how it can be used on a necklace. This amethyst pendant is quite good quality, hexagon shape. It's semi-transparent, beautiful inclusions. I probably will change the bail. I bought it on Temu and it came with chain, so it can be worn as a separate necklace with a pendant, but I think I will be using it in the necklace as a feature. I also would like to show you these two strands which came with pendants in one parcel from Temu. Quite nice aquamarine, around 35 centimeter strand, 9mm beads, star cut. It's quite good quality for this price for aquamarine. Aquamarine is expensive stone. And I think I will be doing necklace, maybe a pair of earrings with this. I think they were about £8 strand, and for this price it's reasonably good quality. The other strand is Prehnite. It's a very nice color, but unfortunately it has very few inclusions. Can you see this little black inclusions? Usually Prehnite has more black inclusions in it, makes the stone look much more interesting. Still reasonably good quality, and I'm definitely going to use it for a necklace. And this is all from me for today, and hope to see you again on my channel.